You hold on tight and drive.
You should do that.
Yeah. Look at the boys and girls. And the doggy.
And carrot.
A big fat bunny rabbit. Oh, one can't get out of his hole, can he? Oh, look, it's chickens. There's some ducks. I can hear the ducks. Can you? There they are. There's a duck there. There's a sheep. Or a goat.
Are you still driving? Drive.
Yeah, chicken. And there's the scarecrow.
And more birdies.
More birdies. And there's the cabbage patch. Look at that hedgehog eating all the cabbages. And Gypsy Rose Lee. And there's the piggies.
Quite a good ride, isn't it?
This is nobody waiting. We'll go again. Woo, woo. He's fast asleep, isn't he? Oh, ta-da, ta-da. Look at that juicy goosey gander up there. Goose chaser fox up there. They said they used to throw the money into the place, didn't they?
Yeah.
It's well worth £8, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, which way do we go now? Two tractors. Oh,
It's a bit bumpy.
Two people, they can have two people going round. Moo. Here we're coming into the barn.
In the barn.
In the barn. There the blue cow and the chickens.
It's longer than the other ride.
Yeah.
There's one going round. We're saying this one.
The blue tractor.
Yeah, videoing as well. You're driving. You're driving a tractor. A tractor. It's a bit bumpy.
In the tractor.
We're in that tractor.
Oh, there's a big red tractor.
Yeah, we'll go again.
We'll have to get out the yellow one to get in the red one.
We'll swap.
Oh no. Oh! You have to wait a minute. If there's nobody else waiting.
Yeah, you're going to drive. You want to go again? Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
Please. Yeah. Thank you very much. That was good, wasn't it?
You want to go again, don't you?
Yes, we're going to go again.
Here we go.
Bye. Oh, we can do this.
All day.
We'll have to bring Grandad next week.
You'll have to sit here.
Will they kick in?
Did you want to do it next week as well then?
Yeah. We're on holiday again.
Grandad wants to go.
Oh, I want to go. We've gone next week.
We'll bring a bush chair next week as well.
Yeah, quite. Oh, we'll have Grandad to carry us.
No, yeah.
He's fishing.
We're going again.
Yeah. We enjoyed this one, didn't we? Eh? I think it's all out. He's look at the water, hasn't he?
Oh dear.
Anyway.
I know. We're in the tractor.
Well, it's all like that, haven't you?
We're in the tractor, you.
Well, that's fine. Let's be on a farm.
On the farm, in the tractor.
You'll be taking the meat.
Felix is driving the tractor. They're piggies.
Oh, it is. Little piggies, aren't they? Okay, what's these crows are going to start singing again in a minute? No, they're not. They're going to sleep.
Do you like it on the tractor?
Is it good fun? It is, isn't it? You can drive the tractor. Nana used to drive the tractors.
Tractors on a farm.
On the farm. To look after the piggies and the sheep and cows. Oh, the sheep are here. There, safe. There, and the moo cows are over there. Oh, that looks like a big old bull.
The ones we saw yesterday.
He looks quite angry. Oh, there's an orange one now. And the red one, and the blue one, and the yellow one.
We're going in the barn.
We're in the barn.
Oh, no, there's a chicken.
Aye, there's a chicken in that barn. Oh, that's a little plough and a little broken down tractor.
What's that then?
That is a thresher. You put the cord in and it turns handle and it threshes. All the,
I could do this all day. You're driving a tractor, Phoenix. Yeah.
Oh, we might have to get out this time.
Yeah.
If everybody gets out first, then we might be able to stay.